The next verb that we are going to learn is the verb lilmod. Lilmod in Hebrew is the verb to learn or to study. So how do we conjugate the verb to learn in the present tense? As we remember, we have only 4 conjugations, one for masculine singular, one for feminine singular, one for masculine plural, and one for feminine plural. And this is how we conjugate the verb lilmod in the present tense. Ani lomed, ata lomed, hu lomed. I study, you study, he studies. Feminine singular. Ani lomedet, at lomedet, he lomedet. I study, you study, she studies. אנחנו לומדים, אתם לומדים, הם לומדים. We study, you guys study, they study. אנחנו לומדות, אתן לומדות, הן לומדות. We study, you girls study, they study. ללמוד, לומד, לומדת, לומדים, לומדות. Don't forget to write the conjugation, including the infinitive, in your notebook. And that's it for this lecture. I'm going to see you in the next one. In the next one, we're going to exercise with this verb.